Hi, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm doing another review, and it's Ghiradelli chocolate mug brownies again. This time I'm doing double chocolate. And it's a brownie you can microwave in the microwave for 1 minute, it says. And yeah. You just open the box, of course. Take one of the little pouches out, and then you take a microwave mug or a cup, whatever you want to put it in. I'm going to put it in this cup. I need scissors. Okay, and then you use the scissors to open it. Ooh. It looks really, I don't know if I can show you. It looks really good. It looks like cookie dough. It smells like cookie dough too. You pour it in the cup, of course. Then you put 4 teaspoons of water and stir with a spoon until well blended. Alright, I will go get the water and I will be back. Okay, I'm back. I've got the water in there and now I'm going to stir it until well blended. Need a spatula again. And then you let it sit for 30 seconds to thicken, and then you stir again. So, I'll be back after 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. So I'm going to stir it again. And then you microwave it on high for 65 seconds. Get it off the spoon first before I microwave it. Okay. "65 seconds, and then you let it cool for 3 minutes after that, and I will be back after the 3 minute, well, after the 4 minutes. This is what it looks like after the 65 seconds. Looks like a regular brownie. Okay, it's cooled down now for the 3 minutes. So I'm going to try it now. And then this is the double chocolate one. Double chocolate brownie. Ooh, that looks delicious. And chocolate melts in your mouth. And the chocolate chips in it, they're so melted that it just basically is just doesn't even, you don't have to chew it. It melts in your mouth because it's already melted. But And it's really good. I don't know if I like this one better than the other one I've tried, but I would say I equally like these. I think this one's more of my favorite because you can actually taste more of the chocolate. And the dark chocolate one just tasted like a regular brownie. And this one, it's a little more rich. So far, I like all these brownies that Ghiradelli chocolate has put out. I'm gonna finish this, and I recommend you go out and buy this one. There's 2 other flavors I'm gonna review, and I'm not sure if they have any other flavors. I think they just might have the 4 flavors, but you could probably check out Walmart and see if there's any other flavors. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really like this video, share it with your friends. And right down below you can comment. And right also down below you could hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. And if you want to be notified of when I post new videos, hit the notification bell so you can be updated when I post. And that's right next to the subscribe button. Have a lovely day or night. Bye.